Hello, English 221. This little video is about getting ready to write the rough draft of Essay 1, which is due week 3. So we jump into essay writing right away, but I think you guys can all do a great job with this paper. So this video is about what you do before you start writing that rough draft, because what you don't want to do is write it off the top of your head. Read the Essay 1 assignment. It is in the Week 2 module. And read it carefully. Read it twice. Read it 3 times. And come to office hours if you have questions. Okay? There's also an instructor sample. So I wrote this essay by myself in the spring when I was on sabbatical. And of course, your paper will be different because it's about you. But I hope my sample helps you get the idea. This is a big one, and it might take you some time. Collect information. So that means information about your own life. So some of it's in your head. It means getting information from family members. So if you have a grandparent nearby and you can ask them how they got news when they were children, yes, do it. Talk to your parents. Think about how your parents are different from you, that sort of thing. Also collect information from the articles we read in Pew Research Center and other places. Look for details that connect to you and collect them. Collect them in Power Notes. Maybe you'll use your pencil to write a list. So collect information. Anything you think you want to put in the essay. Organize. Probably you've made outlines before, maybe in English 100, maybe in high school English, but you need to organize the information. Once you have an idea of all the examples you want to use, all the data you want to use, all the things you want to say in the paper, put it in some kind of order, okay? You want to have some kind of plan, even if it's a rough plan, before you start writing the rough draft, okay? You don't want to just be all over the place. Probably you learned this in English 100. So if all this just seems like a review to you and you know it already, that's good news. I know you know this one. Plan your time. It takes a long time to write a good paper. I think when I write papers, like for a 6-page paper, I might do a few hours of pre-writing. And when I start writing, sometimes I think it takes me an hour per page. But I'm very slow, so I have to plan many hours to write a paper. So definitely use your calendar and plan your time so that you can do a good job. Write your rough draft. So I think a good goal is a 4-page rough draft, maybe 5 pages. Typed, double-spaced, MLA format. Same stuff as English 100. Okay? A rough draft for this class is not a free write. You don't want to do it off the top of your head. You want to go for the best essay you can. Okay? But when you hand it in, you don't get graded. You just get comments. And then you use the comments to make it better. And then you get graded on the final draft. Okay? So don't worry about the grade and that kind of thing. Not in the rough draft phase. But definitely write the best essay you can. With an introduction, body paragraphs, citations in MLA format. All the same stuff you did in English 100. Probably the big difference in this case is that you're writing mostly about yourself. So some paragraphs are just about you and there's no citations. Because no one's written an article about you. All right, that's all I've got for now. Thanks.